Taking an Uber/taxi in America. How to talk to the driver. Real-life American English conversation practice. Hi there! Welcome back to another real-life American English lesson. Today you're going to learn how Americans talk during an Uber or taxi ride. This is one of the most common everyday conversations in the United States. Sometimes the driver is quiet, and sometimes they love making small talk. So, what should you say? How do you sound friendly and natural? How do Americans casually talk during a ride? That's exactly what you'll practice today. You'll learn real English phrases for greeting the driver, talking about traffic, discussing the city, making casual small talk, and ending the ride politely. So listen carefully, repeat every sentence out loud, and practice speaking naturally. Let's begin. Getting into the car. Hey, how's it going? Pretty good. How about you? Doing all right. Where to today? 456 Oak Street, please. You got it. Just buckle up and we'll get going. Thanks. Wow, your car is really clean. I appreciate that. I try to keep it nice for passengers. That definitely makes rides more comfortable. Talking about traffic. How's your day going so far? Pretty good, just busy with work. I hear that. Seems like everyone's busy these days. Seriously, I've been in meetings all afternoon. That sounds exhausting. A little bit, yeah, but at least traffic isn't too bad today. That's true. We should get there pretty quickly. That's a relief. Yesterday traffic was terrible. Oh yeah, Fridays are always crazy around here. Good thing today's better. Definitely. Talking about the area. Do you live around here? Actually, I just moved to the area recently. Oh, nice. Welcome to the neighborhood. Thanks. I'm still getting familiar with everything. You'll like it here. There are a lot of great restaurants and coffee shops nearby. That's what I've heard. I definitely need recommendations. Oh, for sure. You should try the Italian place on Main Street. Best pasta in town. Really? I love Italian food. Then you'll definitely enjoy it. They also have amazing pizza. All right, you convinced me. I'll check it out this weekend. Casual small talk. So, what brought you to this area? Mostly work. I recently started a new job downtown. That's exciting. How are you liking the new job so far? Honestly, pretty good. Everyone's been really friendly. That's always a good sign. Yeah, it definitely makes things easier. For sure, a good work environment makes a huge difference. Absolutely. Do you usually drive Uber full-time? Mostly, yeah. I enjoy meeting different people every day. I can imagine. You probably hear some interesting stories. Oh, all the time. Some passengers talk non-stop, and some don't say a single word. I'm probably somewhere in the middle. Honestly, those are usually the best rides. Arriving at the destination. All right, we're almost there. Perfect. That was actually a really quick ride. Yeah, traffic cooperated today. Looks like this is your building right here. Awesome. Thank you so much. No problem at all. Have a great rest of your day. You too, and thanks again for the restaurant recommendation. Anytime. Enjoy the pasta. I definitely will. Take care. Fast shadowing practice. Hey, how's it going? Pretty good. How about you? Where to today? 456 Oak Street, please. How's your day going? Pretty good. Busy day at work. Traffic's not too bad today. That's a relief. Do you live around here? I just moved to the area. Welcome. It's a nice neighborhood. That's what I've heard. Try the Italian place on Main Street. I'll check it out. Thanks for the tip. We're here. Thanks. Have a good one. Excellent work today. Now you know how to speak naturally during an Uber or taxi ride in America using real, everyday English. And remember, small talk is a huge part of American culture. The more you practice casual conversations like this, the more confident and natural your English will sound. So replay this lesson, shadow every sentence, and practice speaking out loud daily. That's how real fluency is built. One conversation at a time. If this lesson helped you, subscribe for more real-life American English lessons. Comment Uber done if you practice today and tell me what lesson you want next. Coffee shop English, hotel conversation, airport security English, office small talk, shopping conversation. Keep practicing every single day, and I'll see you in the next lesson.